incentive. So I want to thank paying very, very careful attention to all the incentives and rebates that the government offers.
Along with a lot of other great customers in the beginning, gave us our start.
Families and younger people will, it'll make it appear, when a new family comes, they'll be like, wow, or the kids, like these kids here, it's not so foreign to kids to see solar panels in places. And the more that we install solar panels in schools and places like that.
Yeah, the next person's so happy. I dreamt I held you in